Hey, it's Charlie Guarino. I am at the beginning of Times Square, New York. This is probably one of the most crowded places in the entire city. Obviously, this is my home. As you can see over here, I'm standing in the street, which I probably shouldn't be. This is the Times Square station at 7th Avenue and 42nd Street. A very busy subway. I'm going to be in two other great cities the week of August 21st. I'll be in Stockholm and Oslo, and I hope you join me there. Why don't you come visit me for a 2-day workshop on RDI? How cool is that going to be? 2 days in each city, 2 days Stockholm, 2 days in Oslo, the week of August 21st. Check out ibmicompetence.com, and maybe I'll see you there. It's going to be a great time. A lot of material covered, hands-on RDI. Think about it. What a value. Looking forward to seeing you there. Bye now.